Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Combi is showing a probe error message? Let's fix it right away. We'll start with the simplest solutions first and work our way up to the more complicated fixes if needed. First, check if the probe is properly inserted into the appliance. The probe error message often appears when the probe isn't securely connected. Remove the probe and reinsert it firmly, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, inspect the probe for any visible damage or debris. A bent, cracked, or dirty probe can interfere with its ability to function correctly. Clean the probe gently with a damp cloth and inspect it for signs of wear or damage. After that, reset your Ninja Combi by unplugging it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and test it again. A reset clears temporary glitches and gives the internal systems a fresh start. If the issue persists, ensure the probe is compatible with your Ninja Combi model. Using an incompatible or third-party probe can trigger the error. Refer to your user manual to confirm compatibility and replace the probe if necessary. And there you go. Your Ninja Combi should now stop showing the probe error message. If these steps don't resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the probe sensor or internal components. We've added a link to the user manual at the top of the video description for more guidance, or you can reach out to customer support for further assistance.